Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the delete option appears to be missing from certain context menus. So if you were to right click and try and delete, you don't see an option if you show more options when you're selecting a file that you're looking to delete, of course. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So generally, this issue has to do with your file or folder or directory, wherever the issue may be, whether it's your main hard drive. It's set to read-only mode. So we're going to go about resolving that. So open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Select Yes. So now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in disk part, D-I-S-K, P-A-R-T, and hit enter. Give us a moment to load up. And now you want to type in list, L-I-S-T, space disk, D-I-S-K, and hit enter. So if you have multiple disks on your computer, you can tell by how large the hard drive is. That should hopefully help indicate what drive you are looking at. So most people probably have one or two drives on here. It should be pretty obvious, what the drive that you're having the issue with. But we're going to go ahead, and now that we're in the command line window, you want to type in select space disk, D-I-S-K, space, and then type the number of the disk that you're trying to resolve. That's in read-only mode. So in our case, there's only one to select. So we're going to select 0 and hit enter. So it should say that that is our selected disk. Now, this is where we're going to actually make our change. We're going to type in attributes, attributes, space disk, D-I-S-K, space clear, space read only. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, attributes, space disk, space clear, read only. Read only is one word. And then you want to hit enter. So it's going to say in our case that it did not clear the attribute successfully, or it failed. Our drive is not in read-only mode, and that's why it failed. However, if it was in read-only mode, this command should run successfully here. It's likely that the file would be on an external hard drive or flash drive, and that's in read-only mode, so that's where this tutorial will be most applicable. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.